We've been in business for 20 years. We're owned, the people who you'll be talking to through the sales process, the installation process, they own the business. Our name within the marketplace over the last 20 years has been incredibly important to us. We don't really worry too much about warranties. We like to think that if you've got a problem with any of your products, we ensure we have high-class hinges. But if you have a problem with one of your hinges in the cabinets, we'll just come out and fix it. We have our own employees. We're not going to be arguing with a subcontractor or tradie about fixing your cabinet. If there's a little issue, we'll just do it. We'll just coordinate one of our employees to come. Typically, the person who you built up a relationship during the installation, they'll come and fix any problems. So I think at the end of the day, it's very important to us not to rely on clause 3 of subsection 2 of something that you might have signed. We'll fix it, and I think you'll build up confidence that we will fix it, because we'll be prompt in dealing with your initial inquiry. We'll get your quote and design to you very promptly. We'll turn up to your installation on time and be well prepared for your installation. You'll have the confidence that we'll fix anything if anything happens in the future.